A brave heart dedicated to science and humanity. This is the story of a woman with a brave heart and courage who dedicated his life to science and humanity and discovered rhodium. The Curies now began to work with greater enthusiasm, but the great obstacle was extreme poverty. The They sacrificed all luxuries of life to save money. Did the job of governess and went to Sorbonne. It was in that university she met a Frenchman, Pierre Curie, a brilliant man, a poor scientist, but they both worked together in the laboratory, and soon the friendship turned into love. And in July 1895, the couple got married and were settled in Paris. Marie was a very creative, innovative woman. She was specially interested in a substance called uranium, which was obtained from pitch blende, a black, very hard, and a very expensive substance. Later on, Perry and Mary found that there was not one but two new substances giving off these rays, although they had not yet been obtained either of them. They called one of them polonium in honor of the country Poland, and other was called as radium. Radium was the most powerful radioactive elements, and radioactive elements give off rays which can penetrate substances that are opaque light. Another French scientist called Henri Becquerel, who in 1896 discovered that uranium possessed the property, polonium and rhodium possessed both radioactive in much higher degree. The Curies now began to work with great enthusiasm, but the great obstacle was the extreme poverty. They sacrificed all the luxuries of life to save money. They lived in utter penury. Her husband begged to give up, but she resolutely refused. With courage, she faced all miseries of life and carried on with research with her husband's support. However, Curies were favored with a gift of ton of pitch blende from Emperor of Austria. The Curies worked for more 4 years. Then finally in 1902, September night, success knocked down their door. A soft bluish purple light coming from bowls. Radium was discovered. It was a turning point of the life. The benefits of rhodium in the world of medicine are incalculable. The bacteria of such disease as typhus, cholera, and anthrax can be killed by radium. In 1903, the Curies, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics for discovering rhodium and polonium. In 1906, Perry knocked down. Mary clung to his lifeless body. In 1911, Mary was awarded a Nobel Prize, second time, for chemistry. In 1934, health of Curies failed, and in July, the great scientist was no more. Madame Curie, who pursued her life's goal with great courage, endurance, dedication, and strength of character.